Hello and welcome to another HELiOS short clip for version 2021. This short video is about the new handling of suppressed parts in SolidWorks. I have prepared an assembly for this. I now suppress this motor and this base plate. For example, the motor already exists as a purchased part and therefore does not need to appear in the bill of materials. The base plate is only evidence of the placement of the assembly and is already present in the workshop. So, we now suppress the motor and the base plate. The relevant parts of the assembly are now displayed optically. We now call up the new in HELiOS function. We are ticking everything here now. The suppression is also displayed here. Here as well. HELiOS shows these parts to enter them, but they are recognized as being suppressed and displayed. When I enter the assembly accordingly, it looks like this after the entering into HELiOS has taken place. Let's look at the model structure first. Here we can see that the suppressed parts have been excluded from the BOM relevance, and it is also clearly indicated that these are suppressed parts. The parts are still included in the model structure because they are still referenced in the assembly. If we now look at the associated article master for the main assembly, we can also see here in the product structure that the motor and the base plate are not included. This means that they were excluded via the BOM relevance. However, all suppressed individual parts were taken over to HELiOS during the transfer, so that there is always the option of showing them again. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.